Okay, so here's the completed here's the completed ignition wiring part of our assembly. So you can see how the plug wires come out through the cylinder head. Oops. And I don't know if you can see the attachment points that I have. Again, my lighting isn't terrific. Let's see. Let's try this. Maybe that's better. You see how those are at each corner, at the base of each of the cylinders, there should be two holes, and then you can see from this picture, each cylinder the wire comes. And again, I threaded through the front into the back, coming out of the back and down into the right hand side where the hole is, and then out through the front, over the top and under the oiler line at the cylinder top, and down into the hole to the left, and then repeated that as we go around. And that gives us our basic engine assembly. And again, I still have to put together the exhaust collection ring that'll be mounted to the face of this engine, but it's coming along. It's, you know, step-by-step progress, just like the entire project, a series of steps. And so we're getting closer to completion. I still need to make the windscreens. Here I've got both of them mocked up with the cardstock, and that tells me how, you know, I check the fit, I make it fit exactly right, and then those come off, they're just set there. Take them out and lay them on a sheet of clear acetate that the windscreen will be made of, and draw that outline onto the acetate, cut them out, mask them for paint the frames onto them, and then we attach them to the airplane. And so I'll cover that process when we get to it, but right now we're working on the motor, and it's coming along. So this will be the exhaust collection ring. It needs to be drilled out, and then I'll use this solder for the piping. Cut it and bend it to fit. Insert one end into the collection ring and the other into the cylinder head, hopefully with the correct shape on each of these lines. 9 of them, and yeah, let's see if they all fit. Let's see if I can make it work. You know, if it doesn't work out, I'll just peel this off, and we'll be modeling just a typical wasp engine without the Lycoming setup. But I want to go for the Lycoming because that's the reference photo that I have, and I'm working towards the reference photo that I have for this airplane when I'm building the model. So, you know, we'll shoot for it and see how it goes. And if it doesn't work, like I said, we'll go to plan B. All right, later.